afternoon and welcome back to Car in a Question. My name is Dustin Keller and we are still talking about expediting the collision repair process. So one of the secrets of making sure a car gets repaired in a timely manner is getting the estimate right the first time. And that's why we recommend having your car towed to the repair facility so that the repair facility can write the estimate alongside the insurance company. Because a lot of times the insurance company only writes for what it can see or what they think they see. So as you can see here, this nice young specimen has been all marked up. So for example, we're asking for 3.5 hours additional on this door. We need 5 hours of repair on this door and 3.5 hours additional repair on this dent. Okay, or maybe they didn't even take in consideration this dent, which is actually a chip in the paint. And also they may not have considered blending the hood, which if it's a 2 or 3 stage paint color, that a lot of times you have to blend the hood or adjoining panels. So again, we're talking about expediting the collision repair process, and Alpha Automotive Group specializes in that. And if you just want to talk about it, give us a call. Dustin Keller, Car in a Question. Thanks for your time. We're keeping you safe and on the road.